The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision ground-based weapons struck temporary deployment point of Ukrainian artillery unit and ammunition depot on the territory of ceramic factory in Slavyansk. Up to 100 personnel, more than 1,000 artillery shells for US-made M777 howitzers, and about 700 rockets for Grad multiple launch rocket system were destroyed. In addition, Russian aerospace forces have hit 3 command posts near Solidar, Minkovka and Bakhmut in Donetsk People's Republic, 16 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, including Kraken nationalist formation near Kharkov. To replenish the large losses in personnel, the Ukrainian military command has increased the sending of untrained reservists to the front, who are being forcibly recruited in Kharkov, Dnepropetrovsk and Poltava regions. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery destroyed 17 command posts, 4 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems and 2 hangars near Kostantinovka with US-made M777 howitzers, which were used to shell residential areas of Donetsk, 42 areas of artillery units in firing positions, as well as 143 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration have been neutralized. As part of counter-battery fighting, 1 platoon of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems near Kostantinovka, 1 platoon of Grad multiple launch rocket systems near Dzerzhinsk, and 2 artillery platoons of Gets-in B howitzers at firing positions near Novogrodskaya in Donetsk People's Republic have been neutralized. Russian aerospace forces Su-35 fighters have shot down in the air 2 Su-25 assault aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Barvenkova, Kharkov region, and Troitskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 1 MiG-29 near Krasnopolye, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means intercepted 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Melitopol in Zaporozhye region and Ternovaya and Veselaya in Kharkov region, 3 .U ballistic missiles, 20 rockets for Grad MLRS near Chernobyevka in Kherson region, and 5 rockets for Smerch multiple launch rocket system near Brashkovka in Kharkov region. In total, 242 Ukrainian airplanes and 137 helicopters, 1,506 unmanned aerial vehicles, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,995 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 741 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,127 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,128 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.